friends, today we're talking about nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals are the animals that sleep during the day and are up at night. So while you're sleeping, they're up playing, and while you're up playing, they're sleeping. So this is a story called Up All Night Counting, where we're going to look at the animals in the book. The first one is a flying squirrel. This one is a little different than regular squirrels because they fly, which is kind of a silly thing. Then there are 2 raccoons that like fish. So there's 1, 2, and raccoons come out at night. 3 owls lighting with whispery rings. And they like to say, hoo, hoo. There are 4 hedgehogs snuffling for tasty things. They're kind of prickly, almost like porcupines, but they come out at night. There are 5 sloths clinging and creeping along, and they like to hang upside down, kind of like bats do. There are crickets in the ground. They make a sound kind of like this. Can you hear it? I bet you hear them when you're out at night. There are fireflies that blink, and you can see their lights at night. And opossums that also like to hang upside down from their skinny little tails. There are red foxes and bats, and the bats are flying all about, and the foxes are giving lots of hugs. And they go to bed when night is done. The bats are sleeping upside down. The foxes are snuggled together in their den. The opossums are in a tree. The crickets are together in the grass. The hedgehogs are snuggled in bushes. The raccoons are snuggled in a tree. The owls are on top of a tree. And the sloths like to hang upside down, just like the bats, as they go to sleep. Good night, friends.